Hey everyone, I was just called out to install smoke detectors at a customer's house, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to talk about the how and why of smoke detector replacement. For today's video, we will be swapping out this smoke detector and installing a smoke carbon monoxide combo detector. This detector was handed to me by the customer and features a 10-year sealed battery, making battery changes unnecessary. The reason it lasts 10 years is because that's the maximum lifespan of a smoke detector. One way to tell if a smoke detector is too old is simply by the color of the plastic casing. Smoke detectors are made with a specific type of plastic which purposefully turns yellow over time, letting you know that it needs to be replaced. Step 1. Remove the old smoke detector. Luckily for me, the new smoke detector was the same brand as the old, meaning the wiring harness is exactly the same and rewiring is unnecessary. But let's talk about it anyway. All smoke detectors have 3 wires coming from the back. Black is your power, white is your neutral, and red is for communication. This communication wire is important because it allows all detectors in the home to alarm simultaneously. Once wiring is complete, the wiring harness is snapped into the back and you are all set. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down in the comments section, and I will do my best to answer every one of them. Please subscribe for future content, and hey, stay safe.